Welcome. I'm Ron Jacobs from Henson Yachts in Sydney, and together with John Blumenthal from United Yacht Sales in America, we're marketing the custom G&S 57 It's On. These G&S boats are world renowned for their fishability both in raising fish and also in fighting fish in reverse. If you want to chase a marlin in reverse, then this is the only boat to have. The cockpit is obviously the core centre of any game fishing boat. And here you start with a beautiful relaxed game chair, $70,000 worth on its own. Together with the deep freeze units, refrigeration, Eskimo ice maker and brine tanks and the beautiful teak covering boards, this is one hell of a cockpit. Welcome to the flybridge. We've got all the usual flybridge features, but some of the things I need to point out to you today: the relaxed helm seats. You've got the reversible seating to sit back and watch your baits and bait spread in the back of the boat. Underneath each of these day lounges are huge fridge freezer units that were custom built in 2018. You've also got the recessed teaser reels for working your bait and switch techniques. The saloon area on this boat, it just feels massive. Beautiful place to be. Close those doors and then all the noise goes away. The interior was completely redone in 2018 by some of Australia's finest craftsmen. You've even got the TV setup that's integrated with the gun electronics, so the crew down here can see exactly what's happening. Keeping in my comments about the 2018 refit, the galley area was also redone. Completely rewired, new appliances throughout, refrigeration, microwaves, gimbling stove. It's just the whole area has been very well thought out and very easy to use. Accessing through the galley floor, you've got a fully insulated pump room, well away from the heat from the engines, which is really important when you're fishing the tropics. Welcome to the master cabin, featuring a massaging queen-size bed, ensuite behind me with spa bath in it. The full-length hanging lockers, extra cupboard space, drawers. There's no shortage of any storage space in this boat. So the forward cabin features 3 independent berths, along with all the cupboard space and drawers that those 3 people need. You've also got a dryer, washing machine in the area adjacent to me here. Further aft in the boat, you've got two independent single berths and a day head that also got a separate shower area. So down below in the engine room area, you've got a complete all grip white finish down below. Everything looks very neat and tidy. The new motors went in 2014, which were 2 QSM 11 Cummins motors. You have the Northern Lights 20 kVA, which was replaced in 2014, and the Onan 5.5 kVA, which was replaced in 2018. So not only is this boat one of the best custom sports fishers floating around, it also comes with huge fuel capacity, 5,000 litres in 3 tanks. It's got huge refrigeration, making those long distance trips out to faraway destinations very, very achievable. 10 to 14 nights, no problem. For those wanting to travel internationally, the boat comes with 2 power sources, both 110 volt and 240 volt. If If you're in the market for a serious game fisher with liveaboard capabilities and all the bells and whistles, then this is one boat surely not to be missed.